So guys, welcome back to channel Wisdom CA, and again we have CA Ayushi Garg, and this is the third video with Ayushi. So Ayushi, welcome back to channel once again.
Thank you, Ravindran.
So here we have a third video, and in this video we are going to discuss after going to Big Four, what the challenges you faced and how you came over that. So this is the topic for today session, and a lot of viewers were waiting for this video. So thank you so much for coming once again and discussing this topic. This is very important topic. So thank you so much for
Yes.
discussing this topic. So please proceed that how you managed to go in Big Four, because you're not from that big city. Indore is, I think, not that big like Mumbai. So how you managed to face the challenges inside the Big Four and come in that environment and tackle all the challenges. So please.
Yes, so thank you so much. I'm really glad to be here in front of your audience. So yes, of course, as we have discussed in my previous interviews, I went through a lot of challenges while getting into Big Four in PwC. But when I got into PwC, I realized my real challenges, my real journey is starting now. As I was from a smaller city, the challenges for me were bigger and more. So there were not just professional challenges, there were many personal challenges as well. Because my family was not there with me. I was staying in a hostel and I had to take care of myself. I have to do so many things which I have never done before. So yes, and again, in terms of my professional career, also I was facing a lot of challenges. So मेरा ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि challenges का there are three sources of challenges. First is people around you. So मेरा first challenge ये था people around me, my fellow articles. They were all from across the country, from every corner of the country, and we had articles from single digit AIR to the ones who have missed AIR by few number. We had national champions and people from students from big cities that had really good command over language. Their personality was really good, and somehow I used to feel inferior in that environment.
Okay.
Because मेरा ऐसा लाइफ रहा है, like I've always been among top 3 students.
Hmm.
ये टॉपर का टैग रहा है पूरा मेरे साथ
Okay.
all through my schooling and academics and wherever I have been. So it was the
Hmm.
first time I was not standing out, but I was a part of a crowd. But still I was really glad, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता था कमिंग फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल सिटी, जो वहाँ पे मेरा स्टेटस था वो इट वाज मोर लाइक अंधों में काना राजा, एंड हियर आई वाज फेसिंग द रियल क्राउड, एंड आई वाज नेवर डिसहार्टेंड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वाज ऑलवेज कॉन्फिडेंट. मैंने कभी ये फील नहीं किया कि ये सब मुझसे बेहतर है और मैं यहाँ पे क्यों आ गई. सो मुझे लगता है कोई भी चैलेंज को ओवरकम करने के लिए सबसे पहले योर अप्रोच शुड बी द करेक्ट. And I never felt bad, and I was really excited that bigger the challenges I'm facing, brighter will be my future.
So how you
And
came?
second,
How did you get this confidence? Main
कॉन्फिडेंस का
problem
बहुत
is
सिंपल
this.
था. बचपन से मतलब काफी बार सुना था फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. दैट इज द पॉलिसी विच आई फॉलोड. I
Hmm.
was not the most confident one there, of course, but I presented myself as the most confident girl, and eventually everyone agreed to me. And I never let it come on my, expressions or in my body language that I'm not comfortable, or that I'm feeling inferior. So I always maintained a confident attitude within myself.
So
Also,
did you practice something or like it was inside you?
नहीं, मेरा खुद का एक अप्रोच था. एंड अगेन व्हाट आई बिलीव इन, दुनिया में ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है जिसका सोल्यूशन नहीं है, एंड हर
Hmm.
चीज का सोल्यूशन एक किताब में लिखा गया है. बिकॉज यू आर नॉट द फर्स्ट वन हु इज गोइंग थ्रू दोस चैलेंजेस. सो वॉट एवर चैलेंजेस आई वॉज फेसिंग, तो आई रेड अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स. आई गॉट लॉट ऑफ इंसाइट्स फ्रॉम बुक्स,
Okay,
like how
one
to
advice
choose.
I want to take one advice from you. There are a lot of various people who, when they go in front of the crowd or when they have to speak in a public, so they started like shivering and they are not able to speak.
Yes.
Okay, so do you have any advice for those kind of people that they could get some confidence while going to stage or somewhere?
Yeah, first thing, definitely they should work more on their skills, because once you get confidence on your skill, then it becomes easier. So to get rid of this fear and to improve your public speaking skills, there's a book called How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie.
Great. Oh,
It's a
yeah.
wonderful book, and it can do wonders for not just your public speaking thing, but also you as a person, and it grooms your personality. So मैंने
Mm-hmm.
उस book से काफी कुछ सीखा. That is first
Okay.
thing. Second, about feeling confident, I feel like you should start with the worst scenario in your mind. मैं पब्लिक के सामने जाऊंगी, मैं बोलूंगी, तो व्हाट इज द वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो? दे विल लाफ एट मी, और
ज्यादा
मुझे
सड़े
कुछ
टमाटर सड़े अंडे
हंसेंगे
फेंक
भी,
सकते हैं।
मुझे कुछ
मैक्स टू
बोलेंगे,
मैक्स।
पूछेंगे ना, मतलब
या
आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डाई, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डाई, तो वो
एग्जैक्टली।
लोग हंस के भूल जाएंगे. सो अगर हम इस तरह से सोचे, वी स्टार्ट विद द वर्स्ट पॉसिबल सिनेरियो, so things becomes easier. At then you have it, your mind कि I'm not going to die. So that ways you get a lot of courage to deal with such kind of fear. मतलब क्या होगा ज्यादा I'm like, as
Yeah,
simple as
actually,
that.
I read that book. I already have read that book. So really, that's amazing book.
Yeah, it
Yeah, a
is,
lot of
and
things
it
to
has helped me a lot.
exactly a lot of things to learn from that book. So this was something like how to came out of that from your fear. So after that, how did you manage the next challenge that you faced in the Big Four?
It was so first thing was myself. So I discussed about feeling confident. The second thing was people.
Mm-hmm.
So you need people around you to support you, because people are the source of your challenges sometimes, and they are the ones who can get you out of the challenge. So
Mm-hmm.
facing challenges, I see it as climbing mountain. So
Mm-hmm.
whenever you're facing a challenge, it's like you're climbing a mountain. You will come across three kind of people: people who are beneath you, who are below you. And what is the
Mm-hmm.
sign? They will pull your leg,
Mm-hmm.
because they can only access your leg. तो टांग खींचने वाले जो लोग हैं, those are the people, beneath you, below
Exactly.
you. Second तरह के जो category है, they're the people who are supporters. So they are the people who are walking alongside, walking beside you. So those are like supporters, जो आपका हाथ पकड़ करके चल रहे हैं, आपके साथ में चल रहे हैं.
Mm-hmm.
उनका साइन क्या है? They support you. And third
Exactly.
kind of people, the people who are above you, जो आपसे ऊपर चल रहे हैं. एंड उसका साइन क्या है? दोज पीपल कैन ओनली लिफ्ट यू अप. आपको ऊपर वही खींच सकते हैं, जो आपके नीचे वाले हैं वो नहीं खींच सकते. वो सिर्फ आपको नीचे लेके आ सकते हैं. जो आपके सपोर्ट वाले, वो सिर्फ आपका हाथ पकड़ के चल सकते हैं. एंड दो पीपल हु आर अबव यू, दे कैन ओनली लिफ्ट यू. सो
Mm-hmm.
वो जो लेग पुलर्स हैं, they will always be there in any stage of your life. But what you need to overcome them, or any kind of challenge you're facing, is supporters and people who can lift you up. So either you find people who are going through the same journey, like मेरे articleship में I get well, with a group of friends. They were
Mm-hmm.
my supporters, my cheerleaders. So since we were in same journey, तो हम लोग discuss करते थे, एक दूसरे को काफी support करते थे.
Okay.
और तीसरा था people who can lift you up. तो मेरे काफी कुछ seniors थे, they used to guide me, who have been through this phase.
Mm-hmm.
सो उनसे गाइडेंस के थ्रू मैंने चैलेंजेस को डील किया. एंड और ये ज़रूरी भी होता है, लाइक आप कहीं पे भी जाओ, आपके अगर फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, ग्रुप ऑफ सर्कल होता है जो आपको सपोर्ट करता है, तो आपका जर्नी, मतलब इट इज़ नो मोर चैलेंजिंग. इट बिकम्स अ वेरी फन एंड मेमोरेबल राइड. So you should look around for people, who can help you, who can support you.
Exactly. So this whole thing is not going to be at once. Correct.
Yes.
So like how many times it took in your case? Like 1 month,
And
2 months?
it happened gradually. मतलब
Hmm.
रिलेशनशिप को यू हैव टू गिव टाइम. आप जितना ज्यादा टाइम देंगे, तो आप उतना जल्दी एक अच्छा स्ट्रॉन्ग रिलेशन बिल्ड कर पाएंगे. सो इट्स अप टू यू. बट आई थिंक कपल ऑफ मंथ्स इज अ गुड टाइम टू गेट टू नो समवन. एंड
Mm-hmm.
कि बनेगा या नहीं बनेगा, कितना आगे जाएगा. एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट गिविंग. The giving part comes first, and then you receive benefits.
Exactly,
So you
exactly.
have to put something in the box to get something out of it. And the
But
more you have
first,
put, the more you get.
exactly. But first thing is that you have to influence people around you. आपको
Yes,
उनसे बात करनी पड़ेगी
again,
पहले.
you have to work on yourself.
Hmm.
Everything comes to you. if you are facing challenges because of your lack of some skills, then you build those skills. If you are facing challenges because of people, then you learn how to get into good relations with people, how to build good relations. And if you
Exactly.
are facing challenges related to the situation, related to the things going around you on which you cannot have direct influence, so you change
Hmm.
your perspective, you change your way of looking at things. So everything comes down, upon you. In any case, in any challenge, all you have to do is to work on yourself. Only you can lift yourself up from these out of these challenges. As simple as
Exactly.
that.
Exactly. So like यहाँ तक तो हो गया सब कुछ. Everything was okay. Like you just influenced, convinced, and got something from seniors as well. उसके बाद other जैसे work style में जो आपका work culture था उसमें क्या क्या challenges थे?
Work challenges, I would say ki, people in my office, they were good. My seniors were really good, but still there were so many times I have cried badly in office washroom कि
Okay.
मतलब बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है कि ऑफिस के वॉशरूम में जा जा करके बहुत रोई हूँ मैं. Because as I have discussed in my previous in my earlier interviews कि I am not a very techy person, तो पूरा काम जो होता था लैपटॉप पे होता था, एक्सेल पे होता था, which I was not very handy or not very good at. और
Mm-hmm.
वही चीजें होती थी कि you as you are part of such a cream crowd, many times your seniors have higher expectation from you, and it becomes very difficult to meet all those expectations. So
Exactly.
initially, first and half year mein, even though I was getting well with people, I was working on myself. I had these challenges of meeting my seniors' expectation. I consistently faced that challenge in couple of years of my articleship. But the way it took me some time to overcome, because nothing happens overnight. So again, the same thing every time, receiving feedback from seniors only. कि यार,
Mm-hmm.
where how can I improve? Taking their help only, and only they can guide you, right? वो बोलते थे ये करो, ये पढ़ो, इस चीज को ऐसे करो. तो it comes the only thing which helped me is taking their feedback and learning from them and taking it in a positive way. तो ये बहुत जरूरी होता है. Once you have this ability to accept कि हाँ मेरा issue है या मैं perform नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, then you are open to look up for solutions. So
Okay, one thing is
I
there,
had
like छोटे ऑफिसेस में होता है कि डांट भी पड़ती है काफी अच्छी खासी. So the same thing goes in the big four.
तो वो तो है कि यार आप गलती करोगे तो डांट तो पड़ेगी ही. तो
Okay,
दैट इज लाइक घर पे भी
that is
ऐसे
a
ही होता
part
है.
of the
तो
life.
यस, बिग फोर में मतलब मुझे भी काफी बार अपने सीनियर से सुनना पड़ा, डांट पड़ी. तो
That's why
पर
you wept
वही है.
in washroom.
हाँ मतलब
Yeah.
वो. बट उसके लिए मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि माय सीनियर्स आर रॉन्ग या मैं इतनी कैपेबल नहीं हूँ. मुझे एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग था कि यार सिचुएशंस आर नॉट फेवरेबल,
Mm-hmm.
and instead of focusing on what's wrong, I always question myself here how I can convert it into my favor. Like, what can I do to improve it? This is
Mm-hmm.
the question I used to ask myself a lot, because what you keep looking for is what you find. तो
Exactly.
you should get into the roots कि यार ऐसा क्यों हुआ, कहाँ गलती हुई, और कैसे I can avoid repeating the same thing in future. It's good to make mistakes. डांट खाना भी अच्छा है, पर एक ही एक चीज के ऊपर आप
हाँ, बार बार
डांटना
अगर किसी, हाँ,
repeatedly
एक ही चीज के ऊपर अगर कोई बोल रहा है, सो दैट इज अ बैड थिंग.
वही प्रॉब्लम होती है.
हम्म.
और मेरा लाइफ में एक मंत्र रहा है कि मिस्टेक इज कमिटेड इज डन ओनली वंस. If it is done second time now, then it has become your habit. So
हम्म.
what helped me is I never let my mistakes turn into my habits. I took action, and I ensured that I don't repeat those mistakes. And in this process, I have made hundreds and thousands of mistakes. So that's fine. Matlab, making mistakes is good, in fact. But you should just ensure कि ये क्यों हुआ, and it should not repeat again in future.
Okay, one more challenge is that, like when you go for a small firm, so definitely the clients are not so big, but in big four the clients are also big clients. Might be it is happening. It will be happening that if you go to a client place and you commit some mistake there. So in big four you have some seniors, but in the client place there is only senior. So how do you manage
हाँ.
that? Have you ever been happen with you?
many times.
Okay.
So big fours, we have big clients, but at the same time, big client बहुत difficult client भी होते हैं. Because आप उनको मतलब कुछ भी बोल के you cannot bluff anything. They are
Hmm.
equally well informed and they are much senior to you, wiser than you. तो और उनको क्लियरली आप गलती करोगे तो उनको समझ में भी आता है कि एंड somehow you have to deal with it. एंड मेरे साथ काफी ऐसा हुआ है और ऑलमोस्ट सभी के साथ ऐसा होता है कि वी कम अक्रॉस डिफिकल्ट क्लाइंट्स. मुझे
Mm-hmm.
मुझे तो एक दो बार मतलब डांट भी पड़ी है बहुत जोर से क्लाइंट से ही. तो
Okay.
अगेन वीपिंग इन ऑफिस ये हुआ है. बट द गुड थिंग एंड द गुड पार्ट इज your seniors, they come to save you, and
Okay.
they help you get over such situation. तो मेरे साथ ये बहुत अच्छा हुआ है कि my seniors on the job, they were always there to cover up for me or to save me from such situation. तो क्या होता है कि वो seniors client के सामने तो they cover up and they save you, but later on they will tell you, तुम्हारी गलती, and this is how you should have done it, and you keep it in the mind next time. So ऐसा हुआ है 3-4 बार. कभी सीनियर्स होते भी थे, कभी नहीं भी होते थे, तो मतलब थोड़ा एम्बैरेसिंग हो जाता था सिचुएशन. बट it's fine. मतलब you cannot help it. You are still learning. You have to accept the fact that you are still learning. एंड स्पेशली आर्टिकल्स को मतलब इतना ज़्यादा इवन professionals around you, qualified chartered accountants around you, they understand that you are still learning because they have been through this phase. So we think यार it's a very big deal, मुझे बोल दिया, मुझे डांट दिया, but at the end everybody understands that because
Okay. Okay.
somewhere in some point of time they have been through this.
Great. Great. So
You should
Ayushi,
move on.
yeah. One more thing is there. You made some courses in this development of the skill development and these whole things. So can you
Yes.
explain something about the course?
Yeah, so first of all, the inspiration for this course, I would say कि I had really good career, homegrown article, and I was climbing corporate ladder. But I had my cousins, they were also pursuing CA, CS, and they are
Mm-hmm.
all academically good background, but still they were not able to clear examination, and they changed their career paths. They opted for some other courses, and it by talking to them for like 10-15 minutes, I was able to identify कि कहाँ पे problem है, what is
Mm-hmm.
stopping them from clearing examination even after putting so much effort. तो
Mm-hmm.
वो मुझे एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ जाता था, एंड उसमें होता ये था कि आई यूज्ड टू फील लाइक अ पार्टी टू देयर फेलियर, कि यार आई कुड हैव हेल्प देम, उनका करियर कुछ और होता, एंड जस्ट बिकॉज आई कुडंट हेल्प देम दे आर गोइंग थ्रू ऑल दिस स्ट्रगल. सो एक वो गिल्ट आता था मेरे अंदर. तो एंड ऑल्सो जैसे मैं हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया है लाइक इंदौर टू मुंबई आर्टिकलशिप एंड
Yeah.
क्लियरिंग से मैंने बीन थ्रू लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस, लाइक बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस मैंने फेस किए. सो मेरा यही मुझे एक इंस्पिरेशन थी कि यार आई वांट टू बी अ मेंटर, आई विश आई वंस हैड. सो उसको लेकर के मैंने फिर एक स्टूडेंट को क्या क्या चीज़ें पता होनी चाहिए वो मैंने एक कोर्स में डाला है, लाइक हाउ दे कैन अचीव देयर टारगेट्स, हाउ दे कैन बी मोर कॉन्फिडेंट. तो
So
उसका
what is
मैंने
the
एक कोर्स.
process? What is the process of the course?
सो इट्स अ 10-day प्रोग्राम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल.
Mm-hmm.
तो उसका जो स्टार्टिंग का 3 days होता है, दोज आर 3 days 3 hours लाइव सेशन. मैं 3
Okay.
घंटा रोज 3 दिन लाइव सेशन लेती हूँ, एंड एवरी डे विद अ डिफरेंट थिंग. सो डे 1 इज ब्रेकिंग द ब्रेक्स, सो वेयर आई वर्क ऑन देयर बिलीफ सिस्टम, देयर
Mm-hmm.
माइंडसेट, which needs to be very correct. They need to have a correct approach. तो on first day
Mm-hmm.
I work on that कि आपके खुद के माइंडसेट में ऐसे क्या बैरियर्स है या ऐसे क्या लीकेजेस एंड लूप होल्स है जिसके कारण यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द आउटकम, बिकॉज इट्स
Exactly.
द इनविजिबल which which is more important than the visible thing. So I work on invisible thing.
Inside the
Second,
subconscious mind.
yes, belief system and subconscious mind, I
Mm-hmm.
work on that. The second day I work on their study approach, their study pattern, how they study. So I start with how they can start studying, because बच्चों का सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि यार पढ़ तो लेंगे लेकिन एक बार पढ़ने तो बैठ जाए. Like sitting for studies itself a big challenge. So I start with that. I give them a step-by-step plan, proven steps to start studying. And then I teach them study techniques, fun techniques to master subjects, especially theory subjects, because theory subjects are the most painful ones, because you have to by heart everything word to word, and it takes a toll on you. It becomes challenging. So
Yeah, yeah.
7 techniques to master theory subject.
Mm-hmm.
After learning those techniques, no theory subjects won't be challenging at all. Then I give them techniques for avoiding distraction, building concentration, and on the last thing, I teach them master plan to prepare for examination, because planning to failing to plan is planning to fail. So planning is very
Exactly.
important, especially when it comes to examination. And the
What about
third
rest
day,
7 days?
yeah, I'm coming to that. So on third day, I work on their confidence level, on their
Mm-hmm.
positive thinking. Then I transform their vocabulary, which has a lot to do with their result, even though they don't realize. So third day is like power pack session on transforming their personality. This
Okay.
is first 3 days where I take session, and the next 6 days they are on 6 day challenge. So whatever I've taught in 3 days, they have to implement it and practice all those techniques in the coming 6 days. And I track their performance, that if these are the targets they are setting for themselves, how much are they achieving. So if there is any improvement or not, if they're applying technique or not. So 6 days I track that, and on the 10th day, on the last day, I conduct a feedback session where I discuss with them, what worked for them, what didn't work for them, were they able to apply techniques, and what are the challenges they are still facing. So that it's not just a one-way communication. I have taught you everything in 3 days, and then you look for your own. No, I make sure that they are able to apply those techniques. And if they are not, then in feedback session, I discuss with them and I resolve any issues if or any concern if they have.
Exactly. I just saw that your feedback also. You send me the feedback. So the really the it was very appreciable. So what we can do is that, guys, if you're watching this video till here, so what I'll do is that I'll just share some link on the Telegram, all the training programs, and you can enroll in that, because when the next training session is going to be conducted.
Next training session, I have 2 training batches. The one
Okay.
is coming weekend, and Friday to Sunday, and then again next weekend
So
in
it goes
September.
Friday to Sunday. Every
Friday to
Friday to
Sunday
Sunday.
next
Okay.
session.
Okay.
Huh.
So this Friday is going to start.
Yes. So this is 4th September, and then again next Friday, which is 11th of September. So these 2 weekends.
Okay, what I'll do is that I'll just leave a link below this video and on the Telegram also. So anybody who is interested in that, they can come in their session and they can enjoy the benefit. And you can just give the feedback also to Ayushi that after 10 days of session, what exactly is the challenges, like how do you feel after this course, and you get some confidence in yourself in your studies or not. So Ayushi, anything else you want to share with the audience?
Yeah, of course. After this course, only I'll tell you, majority of the students which I have trained is CA students, because of course coming from the background, those students were much more interested in learning from me. Although this course is for any students above 14 years, but I have trained
Mhm.
most of the CA students because they face many challenges, because they study really hard. And the kind of feedback which I have received after the training, I like all the students which I have trained before, and they're really happy, and it's immediate transformation in their personality. And I receive a lot of feedback and messages from students on day-to-day basis. How they're applying techniques, and it feels really great. So I would only say, if you're facing challenge, if you're struggling with studies, no, you should go for this program. Definitely.
Exactly.
And after looking at the feedback from students from my earlier batch, I think there will be no question of doubting your decision, and
Yeah,
you'll
yeah,
be really
exactly.
there and
Actually, I
proud.
saw your feedback when you sent me on WhatsApp, so I just saw your feedback. So one thing is more, like, do you want to share anything apart from this training program? Like we were discussing something about the articleship and how you get over that challenges. So do you want to share? Do you want to add on anything to the audience?
Yes, yes, absolutely. So, guys, see, challenges are not just in horticulture. It's everywhere. It will be there in every stage or every phase of your life. And once you can overcome certain challenges, there's a formula, there's a framework which helps you overcome these challenges. Once you learn it, no, then there won't be any challenge bigger in your life. And it's important to learn how to overcome challenges than to avoid challenges, having challenges in your life. And the only way, the framework which I have found out, I have discovered to deal with challenges, first thing is accept your challenges. Don't question ki, why am I facing all these challenges. Just accept it wholeheartedly, because everything which is going on in your life is in some or the other way outcome of your own decisions, outcome of decisions you have taken and decisions which you have not taken, because that again is a decision if you're not
Mm-hmm.
making some decision. So accept it. That is the first thing. Second thing is gratitude. Like, we feel grateful about the good things which we have in life, but feeling grateful about the challenge is even more important, because not everybody is facing the challenges which you are facing. Like, when I was in Big Four having so many challenges, I had my friends in hometown pursuing their articleship from some other firms, and they were having a very comfortable life, but my challenges were bigger, they were higher. So I was very grateful that the higher is my challenge, the brighter will be my future. I'll be a better person once I overcome these challenge. So have that attitude. Don't regret कि यार मैं क्यों आ गई या मैं इस situation में क्यों. Feel grateful, be happy about it. And the third thing, you look for options, you look for solutions, not to avoid challenge, not to get rid of challenge, but to overcome challenges. You have this mindset, you follow these 3 steps in wherever you are, whatever challenge you face, you will get over it 100%.
Okay, thank you so much, Ayushi, for sharing your thoughts, and it was really wonderful. And thank you so much. Let us see the feedback of the students, how they comment below this video. Guys, please comment below this video, and make sure to like this video for Ayushi. And thank you so much, Ayushi, once again. Whenever we will needing you once again, and after getting the feedbacks of the students, we will just call you once again on the channel. So thank you once again for coming to the channel, and it was very nice talking to you.
Same here, Robin. It's always a pleasure to be on your challenge and to talk to you and your students. Like, it's such a privilege. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you so much. Thank you.